we're doing another, guess what the heck is it? We got player 1, player 2, and player 3. So let's get to it. This is the gadget, the whole gadget.
Oh.
Player 1, can you guess what it is?
Cutting, like bread.
That's what I was wondering.
Okay, player 2.
Am I player 2?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, it could be for cutting the crust off of bread, but it also looks like a Play-Doh mode.
Okay, I'm gonna give you your half right. Your half right cutting bread. Player 3. Can you tell me what what both of them do?
Cut them into squares.
Oh.
Yeah, well, it cuts the crust. We've already come to that.
Wait,
So
basically
that's
you
the
just
crust.
do that onto the bread, then you do that, and then basically you use this to do that.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, give us a hint.
Wait, hold on. Can I see this?
Well, you're right in the bread cutting, in the crust cutting,
Right.
but there's another part to it. So I'll give you an idea. So the white one, cuts the crust,
Yeah, so
and
let's
then
see
the
what the
blue
middle
one
one
does
does.
something else.
Okay, so let's see what it does.
This is the correct way in using the item, the way it shows it in the instructions in the back, but I probably will just be making my sandwich and then cutting it up and having the mess go to the ends. But the way it tells you to use it in the instructions is to sort of have this kind of upside down, like this. This is the setup. And you're supposed to fill up only the amount in that opening. So once you fill up the middle with whatever item you want, you turn it around. Put the sandwich like this. This is a large piece of bread.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Then you actually put the cutter in. You cut the crust.
The birds are gonna get a lot of leftover food. Oh, that's cool.
Then once you get rid of the crust, you now push down on the blue device, which is called the sealer.
Oh, I get it. So it's
The sealer. So you push it all the way down. And once you get it all the way down, you can lift up the white area. And now you've made a perfectly sealed sandwich. Pretty cool, huh?
almost.
Sandwich, decruster, and sealer. Have a good. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. That's